Here's an easy and valuable way businesses can use AI for their employees, saving people hours and even increasing safety. It's a custom AI chatbot for employee manuals and safety manuals. You've probably got employees going through tons of PDFs and internal web pages to find specific information on invoicing, job descriptions, compensation, workplace policies, safety and security policies. Then if you're in industries like manufacturing, construction, mining, oil and gas, logistics, chemicals, even healthcare, your employees would be looking at emergency procedures, workplace hazards, accident reporting, personal protective equipment, medical resources, and more. Many of these industries have employees in the field, which means it's harder to access some of this information. However, an internal chatbot trained on this information makes this so easy. You can embed it on web pages or integrate it with mobile apps. Instead of employees spending time looking up, calling, sending texts, emails, they can just ask questions. You can use third-party AI tools like Chatbase, Dante, Retune, or even create a GPT if your whole company has access to Chatgpt Plus or you're on Chatgpt for Enterprise. With these tools, you can upload your documents to a knowledge source like your PDFs and manuals, and they can also train on website pages. Now you've cut down on employee search time and the hours required to answer these repetitive questions. Your company can deploy them on company pages, your intranet, mobile applications, your kiosks, and even team communication channels like Slack or Microsoft Teams. Help make your employees' jobs a little easier by deploying a custom AI chatbot for them today. How has your business used AI to help your employees?